Well, since this pandemic began, we have been flooded with hundreds of messages from inmates, their families, and even officers themselves. Those messages about the conditions of both state prisons and county jails. Well, today, Maricopa County set out to answer some of those concerns. Here's ABC 15 investigator Dave Biscobin.
It was a virtual press conference with limited questions.
So today's topic is going to be about medical care inside Maricopa County jails.
To answer those questions, they brought out Dr. Grant Phillips, Medical Director for County Correctional Health Services.
As of Friday, we have had no positive tests returned for inmates in our care.
Here's a breakdown of the 5,500 inmates. 28 tested, with 21 negative and 7 inmates in medical observation, tests pending. Phillips says one of the main things they're doing is monitoring and screening staff.
Do we know how many staff have been screened and have been required to go home?
Dr. Phillips will take that question.
Our health staff are part of a self-screening program for fevers and lower respiratory symptoms. If someone identifies that they have symptoms, then they are asked to go home. They should not report to work that day.
We didn't get an answer about how many staff have been self-screened and sent home. We asked a follow-up.
We don't.
But the feed glitched.
To send to the community over at MCS.
Basically, they told us to ask the sheriff's office, who did not participate in today's briefing. The county says they've been able to reduce the jail population from a norm of 8,000 to about 5,500 now. That will help with quarantines and limiting spread.
Inmate count is quite low right now, so we do have space to create these isolated systems that Dr. Phillips was mentioning.
While the county held its first jail-related briefing, state prison officials have not done the same. After increasing pressure, the Department of Corrections finally released a dashboard of tests and results for each prison this weekend. As of midday Monday, 9 inmates positive, all since Thursday. And we've confirmed several staff are positive, with hundreds more sent home for failing on-site screenings. But prison officials have not released any info on employees or responded to questions about them. I'm investigator Dave Biscobin, ABC 15, Arizona.